Greetings. Let's try to solve one or two questions in the 2025 mathematics paper 1, which they wrote on 5th November 2025. Okay, so question 1 reads, simplify 3 open brackets x plus 3 close brackets minus 2x open brackets x minus 1. 3 open brackets x plus 3 close brackets minus 2x close brackets x minus 1. So we've been told to simplify this, and it has 2 marks. So these are just 3 marks. Okay, so we have our procedure here. So here the brackets means that this number is multiplying everything in the bracket. So you have to multiply this number by everything which is in the bracket. So we're going to have 3 multiplied by x. This will give us a 3x. Okay, 3x. We maintain our sign because here there is positive and here there is positive, and you know that positive times positive, it will give you positive. So 3 multiplied by 3, this will give us 9. Okay, we come this side. So here we have negative 2x. We have negative 2x. So we're going to do negative 2x multiplied by x. This will give us negative 2x squared. Okay, negative 2x squared. So here we have negative, we also have negative, and this means that negative, we have to multiply negative by negative. So negative multiplied by negative, this will give us a positive sign. So we are going to have 2x multiplied by 1, and this will give us 2x. So having reached this side, you can see that this and this are like terms, so we can add this. And so we're going to have 3x plus 2x, this will give us 5x. So we're going to have 5x plus 9 minus 2x squared. So Nisha, we have simplified this. So we can write it as negative 2x squared. We just take this out to the front so that it can be a quadratic expression, plus 5x plus 9. Okay, so this was the answer on question 1. Okay, so you need to know these things. Negative multiplied by negative, this will give you positive, and negative multiplied by positive, this will give you negative. Okay, and positive multiplied by positive, this will give you a positive sign. So make sure that you master this as a grade 12. You need to know these signs are very important. Okay, so we proceed to question 2. So in the 2025 mathematics paper 1 internal, question 2 was like this: evaluate 4 to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. 4 to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. Remember, here you're not allowed to use a calculator, so you can solve this in a simple way. You just do okay, let's just rewrite it. Well, 4 to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, 4 to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. So this can be written as root of 2, we put 2 here, over 4. Root 2 over 4, root 2 over 4. Then this becomes a power. This one becomes a power. This one which is down becomes the root of this. So root 2 over 4. Root 2 over 4 multiplied by 4. And root 2 over 4, this is 2. So here this simply means that which number can we multiply it 2 times? We multiply itself. The number will multiply itself 2 times to give us 4. So the answer, it's 2. So when we have 2 multiplied by 2, this will give you 4. This will give you 4. Okay, so we have 2, and 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4, this will give us 8. This will give us 8. So a number which we can multiply itself by 2 times, a number that comes 2 times to give us 4, it's 2. When you do 2 multiplied by 2, this will give you 4. So this is what this means. And 2 to the power 1, it will give you 2. 2 multiplied by 4, it will give you 8. So 8 was our answer here. So we have 8. Okay, and the last or the number 3, question number 3 was factorize completely. We have 3a minus c minus 3ab plus bc. 3a minus c minus 3ab plus bc. So they want us to factorize this. So first of all, you need to group the like terms. Okay, so if you see, we don't have completely like terms, but we have some terms that looks a bit the same, like this 3a and 3ab, because this side we have a and this side we have a, so this makes it a common factor. So we're going to group this and this. So we're going to have 3a minus 3ab minus c plus bc. Okay, so we've just grouped the like terms, we haven't changed anything. Okay, so if you're watching this on TikTok, please give it a follow and comment, share, even don't forget to like the video. Okay, comment, because your opinion matters the most to me. And if it's on YouTube, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to like and comment. Okay, so having reached this side, you now just fact out the common factor. You've just fact out the common factor. So if you see here on this part, we can see that 3a and negative 3a and 3a are the common factor. So we're going to have 3a outside here, 3a. Okay, so 3a into 3a, this will give us 1 minus 3a into 3ab. We're going to remain with b. Okay, even this side we look for a common factor. We look for a common factor, and you can tell that c, we have negative c and we also have c, so negative c will be our common factor. So negative c into negative c, we're going to have 1 here, and negative divide positive, you are going to have a negative sign. Negative divide positive, you are going to have a negative sign. And then c into bc, this will give us b. Okay, so if you see here, this and this are like terms, they are just one and the same, so we can group them as we get this and only one of these two. So we're going to have 3. Remember I said you get this and this, those terms that's outside the brackets. So 3a minus c multiplied by 1 minus b. Okay, so this was the answer on question 3. So we have 3a minus c 1 minus b. Okay, so this was the answer on number 3. 3a minus c 1 minus c multiplied by 1 minus b. So we are a school of online tuition. We do lessons for Form 1, Form 2, grade 12, grade 10 up to grade 12, even for GCE. We do subjects like biology, chemistry, additional mathematics, science, maths. So science will do pure and ordinary science. We also have commerce, civic and civic education, including English. So if you'd like to know more about us, you can contact me on this WhatsApp line, +260 965 15 98 65. This is the WhatsApp line you can use to reach us. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe.